In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a photo in Gmail Body Fix today. Here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click the Compose button in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a new message window in the bottom right. In the To field, type the recipient's email address, then enter a title in the subject field. After that, click into the main body of the email and type your message. Next, go to the bottom toolbar inside the Compose window and click the Insert Photo icon, which looks like a small mountain silhouette. A pop-up window will appear. At the top of that window, click the Upload tab. Click the Choose Photos to Upload button. You'll also notice that you have multiple ways to insert a photo, such as searching photos, using Google Photos, uploading from your computer, or adding a web address URL. For this demonstration, select the Upload option. You can either browse your computer to select an image file or drag and drop the photo directly into the Upload area. After selecting the image, it will take a moment to upload. Once the upload is complete, the image will automatically appear inside the body of your email. Click the image once it appears in your message to see the available sizing options. At the bottom of the image preview, you'll see options like small, best fit, and original size. Click your preferred option to adjust the photo dimensions according to how you want it to appear in the email. When everything looks good, click the blue Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. After sending, you can click on Sent in the left sidebar to confirm that your email was delivered with the photo included in the body. You can try it now, and that is basically how to insert a photo in the Gmail body. Congratulations,